Good morning. So Gia's still sleeping, and this is the loveliness I wake up to every morning. So my husband watches her at night. I'm usually the first to go to bed, but every morning I wake up to a tornado that has come in. So, I mean, it's not even that bad. This morning there's just some like Lucky Charms down there and a few toys, but this weekend is all about getting Gia ready for school. So my husband forwarded me this email last night from her school, and it had like a list of 20 supplies that she needs on her first day. So I was at like midnight last night on the Target website going through all of the items and trying to get everything that she needs by Monday. So it's Saturday right now. So I was able to get most everything, which is a huge relief. So my husband's over there right now picking up the order. I'm just not used to like having a quiet house. So it's probably only going to be for a few more minutes until Gia wakes up. But yeah, this weekend is super exciting for us. In 2 days, she's gonna be a big schoolgirl. She is so excited. I'll definitely take some photos of her in her little uniform. So that's our main thing that's going on for this weekend, just to make sure we have all of our ducks in a row for Monday morning. It starts at 8 a.m. So we're going to be getting up at 7 to get her ready. And that's about it. So I'm actually really excited for her. And at first I was like, oh my gosh, my little girl. But now she's going to be with kids her own age and she's going to be learning at the same time. And it's only for like a few hours a day for now to start. And then if she wants to go longer, then we can extend her into the full time, into like a full day too. So that's what's going on for this week. So they were having like a Lucky Charms and a rice party. There's like some yummy rice and Lucky Charms. I'm gonna go get my mini vac. I don't even know how I survived before we got this. I mean, we got it like a couple months ago. I should have had it since she was born. All right, so that took all of 20 minutes, but it now is ready to get messed up again. So this is Gia's toy section of our living room. And then here's her little shoe area. And there's Indy. There's her new spirit horsey. And then we just got her this like TV cushion thingy. It's so cute. That was from Home Goods. Nice clear table. And then this is all of her Paw Patrol, which she is kind of growing out of now. Last night she told me Paw Patrol was for boys. Up until like 3 months ago, she was in love with Paw Patrol for an entire year. So we got her the tower and the bus and all of the vehicles. She still likes it, but she's kind of moved on to Spirit. She loves Spirit. And she's starting to watch Polly Pockets and a little bit of Barbie on Netflix. So she's asking now more for like Polly Pockets toys and Spirit toys. So those are the toys that she's kind of getting into now. And then over here, she mostly plays with like this Little Mermaid castle. She loves this. She calls it the playground. So this is like the playground for her toys. When she gets all of her toys out, they go to the playground. And then we have this one box here. This is for like her stuffed animals. And this is for like the hard toys. And then she has her easels for drawing and her Legos and her barn. So that is our living room / playroom where we spend most of our evenings. My husband gets some work done on his laptop while Gia plays out here. And then here's my keyboard, which I don't really use much anymore because we have a piano as well, but it's good to teach Gia on this because of the volume control. So that's about it.